So you think I'd get a break, right? We smelled coolant, and this thing just let loose big. I can't tell if it's the head gasket or if it's the timing chain cover where the pass-through is. I mean, it's all on the top too. It's leaving puddles everywhere. I mean, the car hadn't been fixed 15 minutes. What are the odds of that? Oh well. It's a stream. It looks like it's coming out of the pass-through on the timing chain cover. So I realized the Ardmore Car Show is actually this weekend, and it's I think Tuesday evening. And so just showing you right in here, that's where it was gushing. I'm going to take the pressure off of the cap, and it actually kind of creates a vacuum on itself from leaking. It's kind of interesting to watch. So I'm going to open the cap up, and you're going to see this thing's going to start coming out as soon as I take the pressure off the cap. Yep, and there it goes. It starts running. Look at that. As soon as I take the cap off. So I guess it just blew a big chunk of that gasket out. That's unfortunate. So, and it's kind of self-inflicted, you know, kind of pisses me off, but this car was in a movie a couple years ago, and I knocked the water pump seal loose when I was taking the power steering pump off. It had coughed its guts, so I was rebuilding that, and then this started leaking. So I was kind of in a rip because I think I had to have the car back on the movie set in like 3 days. So I did a mad dash and got a new water pump since I had to reseal it, because you can see now it's just gushing like crazy now. And I should have just taken the timing chain cover off because it had not been off in a long time. Of course, you know that's where the pass-through is. Anybody that's ever worked on these, they're just like a small block Ford. You got that big cast aluminum timing chain cover. So I'm going to try to get this thing off. I'm going to do a mad thrash this week and see if I can just get the, because again, I got to pull the harmonic balancer. I think I'm going to order a new balancer too. Maybe I can get that in on time too. Change out the seal, put a fresh balancer on. This balancer actually has a chunk missing out of it. It's been like that since day one. They, I guess they dropped it on the pavement at the wrecking yard where I got this engine. Never seemed to hurt anything, but I know the rubber seal on this is also gone. That balancer is like over 40 years old. I think it's a 1979 360. So I guess I got my work cut off for me, yeah.